Did you know that there are 5 moves, 5 variations that I'm going to show you right now that you can do with the lasso? Number 1 is to switch hands. So you're going to take one hand, put it in, meet it exactly in a prayer position, and take that first hand out. And put that back in, and take the other hand out. Okay, that is move number 1. Number 2 is to switch directions with a grip. So you're going to switch with a grip and send it back in the other direction. Number 3 is you're going to need to stand with this because we're going to turn with this. So we're going to send the hoop in one direction and we're going to turn in the same direction. With that turn, you're going to have some loose moves here because it's just kind of fun. So you're turning in the direction of the hoop and you can do that in either direction. Turn with the hoop. Number 4 is you're going to send the hoop in one direction in your lasso and then you're going to turn in the other. So the hoop is going that way, I'm going to turn this way. This is called the anti-spin. So this is a fun belly dance move that I love to do with that lasso. Number 5, so that was number 4 is the anti-spin. Number 5 is a little bit challenging, but you can do it. So it's a one-handed vortex. You're going to grip, grab, and bring it down. Grip, grab, burn it back up. Down, up. So you're going to start with the lasso, bring it down, and then bring it right back up again. So this comes down on an angle, comes back up on an angle. So up, lasso, and down, up, down, up. So that is 5 things that you can do with a lasso. What's your favorite? I'm Shay Rippinger, Hip The Hoopla. Put that in the comments. Like, subscribe to the channel, and tell me what your favorite move is. And do you have a different one? Let me know. All right, rock on, peace out. And if you want to learn one fun hoop move a week, join us in the Friday Fun Hoop Club. You learn one move a week, a combo, and it's quick. You'll learn in less than a half an hour a week. Fast, fun, easy done. All right, rock on, peace out. Happy hooping. Welcome to the circle. Bye.